As we see Lake of Verdun from this side, I show you very quick. There are a lot of cats here, I know them. I gave them food before, and well, a few years ago. And I must drive back to Saint Maxime and Saint Tropez. After Saint Tropez, I drive to Nice, first Cannes, Nice, and Monte Carlo. Alright, see you. I show you now from this side. I was in opposite side from the Lake of Verdun. Now I am here. I was also in the city of Baudin. Look at that from here. You can see the boats just placed there. I think it is not important. The waves just come down from the mountain area. Now the way go into flat waves, which is near to Draguignan. I can also go Moment. Draguignan has McDonald's. They have McDonald's, so I will go there. Let's transfer some videos to the capacity of my car. Enjoy it. We see the wine garden here on the right side. It's very special wine here in France. I don't know if there is a seed time or not, but I thought I go to La Nouvelle-Bretagne, which is opposite side of Marseille. France is a very big country. I'm in the region of southeast, which is Provence and Nice. Monte Carlo is actually not France, but close to France, was part of France. And well, there is also another region in France, with example La Nouvelle-Bretagne. What's the name? Bordeaux area, La Aquitanie. North, west, northeast, east. Paris, I like Paris, but it's not interesting for me, to me. Versailles, maybe you have to go there. I Eiffelturm, Tour Eiffel. Always problem here with the weather. It's very hot right now, later too. I think from the right side was easier to go to some. Watch a little bit here, Old France. Anyway, very interesting area here. And coming minutes I will arrive in Draguignan. Once again, this is the shortest way to Draguignan from the place where am I, from the mountain to the beach. Via Draguignan and Draguignan, main one is Draguignan between the beach and the mountain. Anyway, when I am in Draguignan, I go first to McDonald's, I export some videos into YouTube, then I have a little bit of space on my cam. I know what, I made a very big mistake. I had to buy, or probably I will buy, another place for, what do you say, that I know the names, international language. Oh God, what's with my memory? They let me know what's with my memory. What's the name of that? RAM. I need RAM, more RAM. For my, and there is no need to go home. Because once again, on my place, about Montenegro, the problem is connection. It's not fast as I am in the city. For example, here must be very fast. Here is tourist area, we get it down to Saint-Tropez, or Saint Maxime, or Nice, or it will be very faster. But the mountain areas McDonald's is maybe about 3 kilometers away. I've been here a lot, maybe 30 times. That's why I brother too here. Also, I think I am talking here to get cab 4 years here, cheaper price. End of that, exactly, we are in Draguignan. Draguignan, almost there. Okay, this is Draguignan. Typical French driving, is it? Just take my place. And don't forget, it's my experience in the circle, in the say French one. The left one has a right, I don't know why is that so, but don't ask me, I have no idea why. It's fancy. It's a road good. expensive, very expensive. Cicerone, yesterday was a Cicerone was 185. Well, I'm sorry, I say 185. But that's an old 10. We don't see any mountains are going into the ancient seaside. Enjoy the front camera. Just we arrived to Draguignan and we should be are in City of Draguignan, but not part of the city. Still we are not. Now we are in the city. McDonald's, drink coffee. Drink coffee is a drink. It's always habits. My God, it's so warm here. It's very warm. What do you think? It's 30 degrees. The city of Draguignan. Right now I just bought a new disk for my cam, which is 6 gigabyte. I hope it makes good. Just cut because there is no. My friends, this is the way into Fargeau and further Saint-Maxime and Saint-Tropez. I found a solution for my problem. It was disk. I had to buy the disk for my camera because it was full, and the problem was here. The problem was here. Transfer the old videos into YouTube and do the internet connection is weak in the mountain area. Also, I was in McDonald's and Draguignan, it was very bad internet connection. I tested once in Saint-Maxime. I believe Saint-Maxime is better on Fargeau because it's a touristic place. They care about the tourists. I tried there once, if not, no problem. I just collect the films when I'm back in Germany. I will transfer. I also know at the airport it's nice, but you know the problem is the traffic is heavy over there. And I tried by John. This is big grocery. You must anyway buy something for drink, and I do transfer some through the internet by John. Anyway, I have the stocks. This is Casino and Gochard company. I bought the stocks. I hope the stocks jump. You know, if John say, "Well, you use my internet," I'm gonna show them, "I am a stakeholder of your company." Anyway, no, they don't, because I don't use also that much time. I just go for shopping. Watch here on the right side are all going into wine. Grapes, the farm of grapes. It's very popular, the farm of grapes. This area, and also La Boucle-Rosignan. Probably I am driving, I will drive to Landouk Rosignan, but I don't know when I drive. I want to see Pierre Richard. He is an actor in France, very important actor. I follow him, he gives me sometimes a smile about the ambulance. Just stop. You see, François, Emmanuel Macron comes. No, it's a joke, it's Chancellerie. It's the power of France, you see. Chancellerie. I thought the center of I was in Paris, but one time President de la République comes, and the police stop all and like, go. This is France, you know. In Paris, another police. The horse. Alright, now we are in the direction of Saint-Tropez. Okay, now we keep right. Those mountains are based on Saint-Maxime. Actually, Saint-Maxime is up another side of this mountain. Actually, not really another side, it's the top down of this mountain. Saint-Tropez is a little bit further. It's one in the left, very left. Choose the left direction, which is Saint-Tropez and Saint-Maxime. I don't want to go the barrage. I think this is barrage, but no, it's not. It's still one way before barrage. You know, you have choice always in France. You can use National and you can use the tube and the track. I will take when I go directly, when I go straight ahead, I go to Toul, station of Toul, port of Toul, but I won't pay. I'm driving National, which is left. And Peugeot I go later. On my turn back from Saint-Tropez. Alright, now I choose National, I go in National. And National is the Pioneer Way, which you can see, for example, Saint-Tropez, 36 kilometers from here. Take care, here are two radar. One is very near to Saint-Maxime, and another one I would say here near, a little bit far on the right side. But in France it's very popular that you can understand before the radar comes. The radar is there, so
Yeah, it must be a little bit faster because French guys don't have time and don't always behind you. However, they are very good people. I like France very much, but driving are very fast, very aggressive. I won't say all of them, but the same, but most of them are always in hurry. Time is still tight. We are about 4:05. It's late. Alright, I would say now I stop, and however I have enough capacity, but I stop now because you can't see anything, and later I will show you.